Hello, good afternoon, Andrew. Citron here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for submitting your vehicle inquiry on our beautiful 2019 Hyundai Veloster. So we got it pulled up right here. It's in the showroom for a reason. This thing is super sexy and sporty. Come in the front. We have a beautiful honeycomb grille with the LED headlights, sporty tires. This thing has the beautiful performance blue. Let me show you the interior. On the inside, all kinds of safety and performance features and buttons all over this thing. Beautiful black cloth. And again, this is a performance vehicle for a reason. So I wanted to show you the interior. But the best part here, Andrew, are our warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But at Tameron, Andrew, we doubled the last one to 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain warranty. So not only we have superior vehicles, but also superior warranties. Again, my name is Citron. My number is 703-505-1598. I can't wait to meet you, test drive this car with you, and ultimately earn your business, man. You're coming down to Tameron Hyundai, where you're gonna love the way you're treated. Hello, folks. Welcome to Tameron. Christina, yes. Pleasure to meet you. I'm Citron. I'm here to at the moment.